Welcome to All in One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix out of capacity error. I added Docker to script so we can easily run script. I also show how to find values for script easily. So let's start our video. I am going to run a script in my VPS. First get root access. Create new folder for script. You can find GitHub repository link in description. Go to it. First, let's download the script. Copy this command and run it. It is asking what type of VPS do you need to create. I am going to create Ampere VPS. So I choose second option. Now let's get OCI API key.
So, go to Oracle Cloud homepage. Now click on Profile icon. Click on My Profile. Scroll down. Click on API Keys. Click on Add API Key. Click on Download Private Key. Rename download file name as OCI_private_key.pem. Click on Download. Click on Add. Click on Copy. Click on Close.
Now let's paste copy text into config file. Key file value is OCI underscore private underscore key dot m. Now save config file. I added downloaded OCI private key. Now let's add values to script. For that, open .env file. Now go to Oracle Cloud dashboard. Go to Create Compute Instance page. You can see availability domains here. For Ampere, you can use all availability domains. But for AMD Micro, you can only use first availability domain. So I put these availability domain one by one. Don't forget to separate each one by comma. You can use any name as display name. Now click on profile icon. Click on identity domain. Click on compartments. Click on root compartment. Copy OCID. Paste it on compartment ID. Now we need a subnet. If you don't have one, you can create it.
For creating VCN and subnet, we should go to Networking section in Oracle Cloud. So, click on the three pieces of stripes in left top in web page. Click on the Networking in list. Click on the Virtual Cloud Networks in new list. Now, Virtual Cloud Networks web page will be loaded. You can see blank in VCN list in your page. But, you can see 2 VCNs in my page because I already have 2 VCNs. To create VCN, click on Create VCN button. Now, we need to fill some information here. Type here any name using simple letters. Now, scroll down. Copy shown IP for example and paste it on IP for CIDR blocks. Press Enter or click on item of drop-down menu to add it. Scroll down. Don't change these things. Now, filling part is over. Click on Create VCN button to finish. Now, you can see new VCN in your list. Click on it. VCN page will be loaded. You can see blank in your subnet list. You can see one subnet in my list because I already have one subnet. Click on Create Subnet to create new subnet. Now, we need to fill some information here. Type any name using simple letters. Scroll down. Don't change these things. Copy shown IP for example and paste it on IP for CIDR blocks. Scroll down and click on Select a route table in Route Table compartment. Click on Default Route Table. Scroll down and don't change these things. Click on Select DHCP Options in DHCP Options compartment. Click on Default DHCP Options. Click on Select a Security List in Security Lists. Click on Default Security List. Now filling part is over. Click on Create Subnet. Now you have a subnet. Next click on Internet Gateways. Now you can see your list is empty. Click on Create Internet Gateway. Type any name. Click on Create Gateway. Now you have a Internet Gateway. Next click on Route Tables. Click on Default Route Table. You can see your route rules list is empty. Click on Add Route Rules. Now we're going to make route rule for Internet Gateway. Click on Select Target Type. Click on Internet Gateway. Type 0.0.0.00 in Destination CIDR block. Click on Select Internet Gateway. Click on Available Internet Gateway. Click on Add Route Rules.
Now we need to copy subnet ID. Click on Subnets. Click on Available Subnet. Copy OCID. Paste it as subnet ID. Now you need to put SSH public key as SSH authorized keys. You can generate SSH key pairs. Keep the SSH private key with you to connect to VPS. Here you can choose image or boot volume. I am going to use image. Click on Operating System Images web page.
Here you can find different operating systems. I choose Ubuntu 24.04. Now I will tell you very important thing. There are two types of operating system images. First type is suitable with Ampere shape. You can find Arch64 text in these operating system images. Second type is suitable with AMD and Intel shapes. You can find without Arch64 text in these operating system images. Here I need to choose second type because my VPS shape is AMD Micro. There is another important thing. Each Oracle Cloud region has unique operating system image ACID. So, you need to find suitable operating system image ACID. This is the one suitable for me.
If you want custom boot volume size, you can add it here. Bot token and UID is used to connect to Telegram. It is optional. Put CPU count and RAM size as you want. Now save this file. Now we are going to run our script in Docker. Copy this command and run. Now you can see lots of script. You can see script is running perfectly.